This is the video guide that will help you to get rid of the unwanted browser extension that is called Smartbase. First of all, this is the extension specifically for the Google Chrome browser. The developers of the extension indicate that somehow it would enhance your browser. But the research that we made about this extension indicates that there is no any enhancement. This Smartbase is the extension that replaces the new tab. It also changes the default search engine without your permission. So if this extension was mistakenly added to your Google Chrome browser, you will experience a lot of troubles. Your default homepage may be changed. Your default search engine may be changed as well, and a lot of other negative changes may also take place simply because of this unwanted Smartbase extension. Another trouble with this extension is that it is often spread through integration with some free applications. In many cases, people just install them absolutely unintentionally, this extension. So also pop-ups that promote this extension may be the result of some adware on your computer. First thing I recommend you to do is to checking the control panel of your computer, and if you find any suspicious items that could be suspicious here, you should get rid of them and uninstall them in a regular manner. Also, this Smartbase extension may be presented as some software or fake software or browser update alert, so it may be really misleading. And if you have mistakenly installed this Smartbase extension, access the menu, go to More Tools, choose Extensions. If you find it, get rid of it. I also recommend that you thoroughly investigate your system with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Get it on this official website, combocleaner.com, download the software, install it, and begin researching your system to detect and remove other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.